shout out to Miss Ang for being the best math teacher that there is. And math is easy, just like 1 + 1 = 2.
Hi guys, let's look at question 20 on the Smarter Balance practice exam, and let's see if we can do this one. So, okay, it says, let's read it. It says, consider a parallelogram ABCD with point X at the intersection of diagonal segment AC and BD. So these are the intersection of this parallelogram. Now here's the second sentence. It says, Evelyn claims that ABCD is a square. Select all statement that must be true for Evelyn's claim to be true. Okay, so Evelyn is claiming that this is a square, and we have to select all statement which are true. Okay. Let me zoom out. So which of these statements are all true? All right. So let's go over them and let's see if we can answer them. Okay. Remember, her claim is that ABCD is a square. Okay. Now, a couple of things we know about square is that all sides are equal for square, right? So here, AB is equal to BD. AB is equal to BD, right? Now that's not necessarily true for the square. AB is not equal to AD, right? It's not. So let's go to the second statement. It says AD is equal to AB. So AD is equal to AB. Yeah, and we know from definition of square that these two sides have to be equal. So this statement is true, so I'm gonna mark it true. Okay, next statement, it says AC has to equal to BX. So AC has to equal to BX, and you can see obviously that is not a true statement. AC is not equal to BX. Okay, so that's not a true statement. Let's go to the next one. It says measure of angle ABC is not equal to 90. So measure of angle ABC, this angle is not equal to 90. And you can in fact see that it has to be 90 because the angles inside the square are 90-degree angles, right? These corners meet, they are perpendicular, so they meet at 90 degrees, so they have to be. So this is not a true statement. Now let's go to the next one. It says measure of angle AXB is 90. So measure of angle AXB, this angle right here is 90. And we know from the definition of square is that the diagonal inside the square are perpendicular. So that angle has to be 90. They do intersect at 90 degrees. So measure of angle AXB has to be 90. So these are the only two statements which are true for Evelyn's claim. If Evelyn claims that it's a square, these two statements are a true statement.
I love math, the way the path goes on the graph, how it functions. Cause great discussion in the math class. Shall put no textbook before the math class. Functions real radical and very graphical. That's the way it goes in the math class. Some of the real bros.